Number 1. 1982 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $4,500, Charleston, West Virginia. This 1982 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH 1000 Ironhead stands as a solid example of Harley's rugged and approachable V-twin platform from the early 1980s. Finished in a striking orange with a hand-painted gas tank, this bike has been restored and remains in excellent running condition. The Ironhead engine is known for its raw character and mechanical simplicity, and this example is described as starting easily, idling cleanly, and delivering strong performance on the road. The bike has clearly benefited from attentive maintenance, including brand new rear brakes, fresh seals, a cleaned carburetor, and a new air filter. Garage kept and well cared for, it offers a reliable vintage riding experience without the immediate need for additional work. With its manageable size and straightforward handling, this Sportster is well suited for both experienced riders and those looking to step into classic Harley ownership at an accessible price point. Number 2. 1967 BSA 441 Shooting Star, $1,800, Cincinnati, Ohio. The 1967 BSA 441 Shooting Star represents a classic era of British single-cylinder motorcycles, known for their lightweight feel and lively performance. This particular example presents as a largely complete project bike, featuring a fiberglass tank, a seat in great condition, and wheels and tires that are described as very nice. The engine turns over freely, suggesting a solid foundation for a restoration or revival project. While it does require a wiring harness and key to be fully operational, the bike's overall condition appears promising for its price point. With a title in hand and strong core components already in place, it offers an appealing entry into vintage British motorcycling. For enthusiasts who enjoy hands-on projects, this Shooting Star could be a rewarding build that brings a classic thumper back to life. Number 3. 1979 Triumph Bonneville 750 T140E, $4,500, Thornville, Ohio. This 1979 Triumph Bonneville 750 T140E captures the enduring appeal of one of Britain's most iconic parallel twin motorcycles. With 13,980 miles and finished in brown, this example is described as starting, running, and riding well, reflecting the dependable nature of the late-model Bonneville platform. The T140E represents the final evolution of the classic Bonneville line before the brand's transition into a new era. Recent maintenance adds to its appeal, including a new battery, fresh tires, and updated fluids such as oil, oil filter, and brake fluid. With a clear title in the seller's name and no trades being considered, this bike presents as a straightforward purchase for buyers seeking a ready-to-ride vintage British twin. It offers a balanced mix of classic styling, usable performance, and ongoing reliability. Number 4. 1972 BMW R75/5, $3,500, Menominee Falls, Wisconsin. The 1972 BMW R75/5 is a hallmark of German engineering, known for its smooth boxer twin engine and long-distance touring capability. This example, finished in orange, is described as being in ready-to-ride condition with 31,000 miles, making it a practical vintage motorcycle for both casual riding and extended trips. The inclusion of a Windjammer 2 fairing enhances its touring character, offering added comfort and wind protection. Additional features such as new tires with minimal mileage, a trickle charger, and a ride-off stand contribute to its usability and convenience. The bike is believed to be a short wheelbase SWB model, a detail often appreciated by enthusiasts for its slightly more agile handling. Overall, this R75/5 presents as a well-equipped and functional classic vintage BMW that balances vintage charm with everyday rideability. Number 5. 1974 Suzuki GT, $2,000, Columbus, Ohio. This 1974 Suzuki GT represents the era of classic Japanese two-stroke motorcycles, known for their distinctive sound and spirited performance. Finished in blue and showing 19,439 miles, this bike is described as running and holding a clean title, making it an accessible entry point into vintage Japanese motorcycling. Its overall appearance is noted as great, suggesting it has been well preserved over the years. Recent servicing in November 2025 at Mobile Cycle Works in Ashley, Ohio, included carburetor cleaning and new spark plugs, helping ensure the bike remains in good running condition. Having been garage kept, it benefits from added protection against wear and the elements. For buyers looking for an affordable and enjoyable classic with unique two-stroke character, this Suzuki GT offers a compelling combination of style, sound, and usability. Number 6. 1992 Jawa CZ380, $2,800, Kernersville, North Carolina. This 1992 Jawa CZ380 is a rare sight in the United States, representing a unique piece of vintage motocross history from Eastern Europe. Finished in red and built for off-road performance, this bike carries the rugged, race-focused character that defined CZ motocross machines during their competitive years. Its rarity alone makes it an appealing option for collectors or enthusiasts looking to own something outside the typical American and Japanese offerings. The bike has seen some recent maintenance, including a carburetor cleaning, new air filter, and oil change within the past few months. While it has reportedly been started by a mechanic, the left side kickstarter may take some familiarity to operate comfortably. Whether preserved as part of a collection or brought back into action on vintage motocross tracks, this CZ380 offers a distinctive blend of history and potential. Number 7. 1974 Kawasaki G4TR-E Trail Boss, $1,800, Powhatan, Virginia. The 1974 Kawasaki G4TR-E Trail Boss is a classic dual-purpose two-stroke designed for versatility both on and off the road. This example is described as very nice and all original, retaining its factory paint and seat, which adds to its authenticity and vintage appeal. With its lightweight design and practical features, the Trail Boss remains a favorite among riders who appreciate simple, reliable machines. Equipped with a 10-speed dual-range transmission and a rear cargo rack, it offers a level of functionality that stands out even today. The bike starts and runs, making it immediately usable, though it may benefit from minor attention and a new battery. With a clear title and solid overall condition, this Kawasaki presents an affordable and enjoyable entry into classic dual sport ownership. Number 8. 1965 BSA 650 Lightning, $2,750, Eastover, North Carolina. The 1965 BSA 650 Lightning is a well-known British parallel twin that helped define performance motorcycling during its era. Finished in orange, this example is currently a project bike, offering a solid foundation for restoration or customization. The Lightning model is respected for its strong engine performance and classic styling, making it a desirable platform among vintage British motorcycle enthusiasts. This particular bike is being sold as is and will require tuning work, as it only starts intermittently. It also comes with extra parts, which can be valuable during the restoration process. While it is currently waiting for a North Carolina title, its potential as a rewarding project is clear. For buyers seeking a hands-on build with a historically significant model, this BSA offers a promising opportunity. Number 9. 1973 Honda CB500F, $3,000, Homer City, Pennsylvania. The 1973 Honda CB500F is part of Honda's iconic early lineup of inline-four motorcycles, known for their smooth performance and long-term reliability. This example, finished in orange and showing 15,659 miles, is described as clean, all original, and running great. Its preserved condition makes it especially appealing to enthusiasts who value originality in vintage Japanese motorcycles. With its balanced engine performance and comfortable riding dynamics, the CB500F remains a practical classic that can still be enjoyed on today's roads. The bike's straightforward presentation and no-trade listing suggest a simple transaction for interested buyers. For those looking for a dependable and well-kept vintage Honda, this CB500F offers both usability and classic appeal. Number 10. 1971 Triumph Tiger TR6R, $2,895, Woodbury, New Jersey. This 1971 Triumph Tiger TR6R represents a classic example of British single-carburetor twin-cylinder design, offering a slightly more straightforward and torquey alternative to the Bonneville. Finished in blue and showing just 7,100 miles, this bike is described as being in excellent condition, highlighting its well-preserved nature. The TR6R has long been appreciated for its strong mid-range performance and timeless styling. Equipped with practical features such as a foot shifter, standard brakes, 8-inch rise handlebars, and a CB headlamp, this motorcycle blends classic form with functional upgrades. The kickstart system adds to its authentic vintage experience, appealing to riders who enjoy a more hands-on connection with their machine. Overall, this Triumph offers a compelling mix of originality, condition, and everyday rideability for a classic British twin. Number 11. 1979 Yamaha XS750 Special, $1,200, Mount Joy, Pennsylvania. The 1979 Yamaha XS750 Special is a distinctive example of Yamaha's late 1970s triple-cylinder lineup, offering smooth power delivery and a unique riding character compared to more common twin-cylinder bikes of the era. Finished in red and showing 41,214 miles, this bike is described as running well and remains a functional vintage machine that can still be enjoyed on the road. Its special trim adds custom-inspired styling touches that were popular during the period. This example includes an extra set of handlebars for a more standard XS riding position, giving the next owner some flexibility in setup. While it does need a new front tire, it's otherwise presented as a well-kept rider rather than a showpiece. For buyers looking for an affordable and usable classic with a bit of uniqueness, this XS750 offers solid value and everyday rideability. Number 12. 1966 Chang CJ750 Sidecar, $4,500, Huger, South Carolina. This 1966 Chang CJ750 with sidecar is a classic military-inspired motorcycle based on the iconic flat twin design that traces its roots back to early European engineering. Finished in blue and presented as a restored Chinese Army bike, it offers a unique riding experience that stands apart from traditional two-wheel classics. With its sidecar configuration, it delivers both visual presence and practical versatility. The bike is described as running and in good condition, with a clean South Carolina title and current registration, making it ready for immediate use. What truly sets this listing apart is the extensive package of included parts, such as a spare engine with transmission, extra wheels and tires, and various additional components. For collectors or enthusiasts seeking a complete and distinctive vintage setup, this CJ750 represents a rare opportunity with added long-term value. Number 13. 1973 Yamaha TX650, $2,500, Fairfield, Pennsylvania. The 1973 Yamaha TX650, closely related to the well-known XS650, is one of Yamaha's most respected parallel twin motorcycles, celebrated for its durability and strong aftermarket support. Finished in blue and showing 14,737 miles, this example is described as running and riding, making it a straightforward and usable vintage motorcycle. Its classic proportions and reliable engine design continue to attract riders and builders alike. As a largely original bike, it offers a solid base, whether left stock or lightly customized to suit personal taste. The simple transaction terms, cash and local pickup, suggest an easy buying process, with offers considered in person. For those seeking a dependable and approachable classic Japanese twin, this TX650 provides a balanced mix of performance, history, and affordability. Number 14. 1994 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail, $7,000, Lowell, Indiana. This 1994 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail represents the timeless cruiser styling that has made the Softail line a staple in Harley's lineup. With under 10,000 original miles, this bike stands out as a low-mileage example that has been preserved in good condition. Its classic design, complete with vintage-inspired details, delivers the unmistakable Harley-Davidson presence, both visually and on the road. Described as running and riding great, it offers a reliable and comfortable cruising experience backed by Harley's well-known V-twin performance. With a title in hand and an asking price that allows room for negotiation, it presents a strong option for riders seeking a clean, well-kept cruiser. For those wanting a blend of classic looks and modern-era dependability, this Heritage Softail fits the bill. Number 15. 1973 Honda CB450, $2,850, Murraysville, Pennsylvania. The 1973 Honda CB450 is a standout model from Honda's early lineup, known for its innovative dual overhead cam parallel twin engine and sporty character. Finished in brown, this example has been fully serviced and is ready to ride, making it an appealing choice for those who want a vintage motorcycle without the need for immediate work. Its design reflects the era's push toward higher performance and refined engineering. With a title in hand and no trades being considered, this listing offers a straightforward purchase for interested buyers. The CB450 remains a favorite among enthusiasts for its balance of reliability, performance, and classic styling. For riders looking to enjoy a well-prepared vintage Honda, this bike delivers a smooth and engaging riding experience straight away. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. If you enjoyed this lineup, don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic motorcycles for sale, updated daily.